Hey guys, welcome back to Sisters Trying to Make Slime. So today we're making slime. Where's my cat? So, okay. So we found it. So today we're gonna be making slime.
We already put the glue.
Yeah, we already put the glue to start. We had the glue, white glue, and we're gonna put activator. Yeah. The Tide activator. You guys can use Tide or real activator. This is actually activator. Okay, pour some here. Then pour some of yours. Okay, pour some. Okay. Now we're gonna be mixing. And I hope this works. Like, we have more glue. We could probably try again. It needs more activator.
Yeah, cause I put a lot of glue.
So it's gonna work. Okay. Not with hands yet. So if you guys are gonna try this, then make sure you guys are doing it right. Okay, it's gonna work. This is my bowl. I hope it
This is not glue. It might drop.
Okay, never mind. Okay, this is actually working. Yeah, there's a big chunk. It means it's working.
Yeah, that's working.
It's working. See this? Sorry. It's working. It's working. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my hands. I'm starting with my hands now.
Oh my God!
It's working. It's kind of working. There's a big chunk right here. Ah! And then make sure you do not drop it. And wait, do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Give us a huge thumbs up.
I'm gonna take this out because I might put slime on it.
Okay, that's good. We're gonna mess up this table. We're trying our best. We're trying our best to make this slime for you guys. Okay. Add more glue. It's not gonna work, but we're gonna try. Just a complete fail, I think.
That's a lot.
Let's try. Okay. Not with your hands yet. I think you were supposed to do with your.
Oh my gosh, can we out glue really? There's a big chunk. Yeah, it's working. I was gonna make a big slime.
Okay, we're gonna see you guys when this slime is activated. Okay, guys, we're back. Mom is turning on like this. My sister, she's still mixing.
I don't want to touch it because I don't want to
touch it. Okay, you could touch it still. Okay, I'm thinking. Still activated.
Yeah, this works.
This is my slime. I hope it works.
This is my slime. Yeah, I had to clean it out too, but I didn't drop it.
I think my sister does need more activator. Hers is like. Okay, that's it.
Oh my gosh, you put a big chunk. But that's good.
It's working a little.
Yeah, mine's working a little. Look it. This is my slime. It just dropped. Did you put it?
No. It's working.
Yeah, mine's working. Where it goes?
There's a lot of bubbles.
A lot of bubbles.
Let's see. Okay, hers is working a lot. Touch it, Alina?
I don't understand.
Actually, yours is working.
Okay, I'm just gonna touch it. I touched it. This is how my slime's going. You just have to play with it and mix it.
It's working a little. It's working little by little.
Little by little.
We're gonna see you guys until this is mixed up. Not mixed up, but like.
You put a lot.
We're gonna see you guys until this is all slime. Bye bye. I hope you guys like the slime. It's this is the slime. I hope you guys like the slime. Bye, you guys. I hope you guys have a good day
and watch our videos.
And I hope you guys this worked.
Bye bye.